Hi children, today we are going to learn picture description for the story Buntu and the bird. Can you guess what the story is about? Yes, the story is about the bird. What can you see in this picture? Bird, leaves, nest. What color are the birds? The bird are in blue color. What are the other color in the picture? Green color. Buntu and the bird. Who are the people in this picture? Teacher and their students. Teacher and their students. Can you name the things in the classroom? Bookshelf, books, projector, table, chair, wall clock. These are the things in the classroom. Who is he? This is Buntu. Can you describe the boy's shirt? Buntu. This boy is wearing checked shirt. Can you name the toy behind him? This is dinosaurs. What is the boy doing? The boy is point out the fan. The boy is point out the fan. How many children are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 children are here. What are they wearing? Boys are wearing shirts and trousers. Girls are wearing frock. Who is the visitor to the classroom? The bird is the visitor to the classroom. The bird is the visitor. Can you describe the bird? The bird is blue in color. The bird is blue in color. Can you see the bird? No. What are the things you see outside of the classroom? This is classroom. What are the things you can see outside of the classroom? Bell. Class 2A is mentioned here. Plants are here. Can you name the shapes in this picture? This is square. This is rectangle. Rectangle shape. This is the tiles are in square shapes. Can you see the playground? Yes, we can see the playground. What can you do in the playground? The children are playing. We are playing in the playground. Who are the people in this picture other than the children? This is principal. This is watchman. Okay, this is principal office. So this is principal office. This is principal. This is watchman. Who are the other helpers in our school? Aunties, watchmen, scavengers. These are the other helpers in our school. Can you see the notice board? Yes, this is the notice board. Where are we now? We are in the library. Do you like to read books? What kind of books do you like? Tell me the answer and send it to me. Okay. How should you behave in the library? You have to maintain silence in the library. You have to maintain silence in the library. Can you see the playground through the window? Yes, we can see the playground through the window. What are the playing things in the playground? Swing, seesaw, slides. Okay. Do you like playtime in a school? What's your favorite game? Okay. So you have to answer these questions and send it to me. What do you think the boy is trying to do? This is Buntu. The boy is trying to help the bird. Okay. So from the story you have to answer 3 questions. Do you like to read books? Do you like playtime in school? Then what's your favorite game? Tell me your answer and send it to me. Thank you, children.